Hi, good afternoon, and thanks for joining us for this May update. We have a lot of news for you today. The Nakamoto update on the Stacks blockchain has just been deployed and it will be activated in close to 2 weeks. We have a lot to share with you about new technologies coming to the Bitfari network and new updates from the foundation and associated companies. So first of all, we are doing an airdrop. This airdrop is going to be different because we are going to be airdropping runes, which is the new Bitcoin technology that was updated with the halving last week. We were the first marketing DAO to integrate with BRC20, and now we're going to be the first marketing DAO to integrate with runes. The way this is going to work is that we're going to put up a form. We're going to open 10,000 spots for minting coupons. These are going to be digital land minting coupons. You're going to be able to right away use the tokens, connect to our digital land minting platform, and you're going to be able to claim whichever space or land you want. And you're going to be able to migrate that to runes as soon as you like. So you're going to be able to do two things with the tokens. First, mint stack coupons, and then second, migrate these coupons to runes. The second airdrop that we're going to be doing is a direct rune token airdrop. So we're going to be giving some FARI tokens, and these are going to be mintable using Unisat or other platforms directly as runes. And we're going to be doing the same with BRC20. So we are going to do two airdrops at once. 10,000 spots for digital land coupons and then 10,000 spots for rune tokens. This is going to be different because we ship an update in January that allows you to mint digital land anywhere in the planet, not only for the US. So you're going to be able to use the coupons to mint global land. Also, we're going to be releasing this in May 20th. So we're going to be giving out the tokens as soon as you fill in the form. So the form's going to be up this Friday. Let me see if we can have that here. The form's going to be up this Friday, and we are going to be airdropping the tokens as soon as next week. But you're going to be able to use the tokens as soon as May 20th, which is when Nakamoto hits. People familiar with the matter know that with Nakamoto update, you're going to be able to mint with stacks in less than 10 seconds. So operations that took 10 minutes or half an hour um, are going to be doable in less than 10 seconds, up to speeds of 5 seconds per transaction. So that's really exciting. You're going to be able to mint digital land really fast. If you prefer to have the tokens as runes, you're going to be able to use a bridge to convert these tokens to runes. We are now testing international billboards. We have more billboards now that we have connected to the network, and that would bring up a total number of billboards globally to 400,000, which is a nice number to have. It's that makes us the biggest billboard agent in the planet. So that's really exciting. So we're testing more international billboards, and that should ship this year as well. We put up an update to the intranet. The intranet is around 10 times bigger now. One of those updates is a data room for investors, prospective investors, and VCs, and people that are working with our foundation. So this is more or less our extranet. It's the part of the intranet that is available to people that don't necessarily work inside the foundation, but people that are working with us to make Bitfari bigger. With this release, the internet is now twice as big as before. So the beta for the beta version for the Fari wallet is now done. We're asking people to join the test net tab because this is the next update that we're going to test right now. Now this update is different because there are two sides to it. There's a miner program, and then there's an iPhone program. So if you have an iPhone, we encourage you to join the testnet so that you install this program and test it on your iPhone. If you have Android, you can test it using your iPhone, your Android phone, or using a browser. But you will see the web wallet if you have an Android phone. To use the native wallet, you need initially an iPhone phone. Okay, and here are some screens from the wallet. It's a pretty popular product. So you'll be able to have your Fari balance, and then you'll get points for browsing and for auditing ads. We call this browsing. It's just matching with billboards. It's a pretty beautiful product. It's really fast. Shows you how much you made just by um, browsing, and it shows you the money that you made approving ads or declining ads, just auditing ads. This could be like giving a like, thumbs up or thumb down. And then there's some things that you can also do with the wallet. This will be an app that will run on Bitfari, so these are like a beta version that connects to it, and these are basically for you to find. It's like a map for you to find nearby billboards that you can audit. So it's a pretty nice app. We're pretty proud of it. So yeah, this is available to test right now, and you can join the testnet tab just to check it out. Okay, so the next version of the digital land ships on May 20th, and we are releasing like everything on May 20th because we're giving Nakamoto a couple of days to just settle down. So we expect Nakamoto to be available on May 18th. So we're gonna be giving it like at least 2 days to settle down. So this will be a set of premium digital land that you will be able to purchase on our site land.bitfari.com, the site for digital land purchase. And those NFTs you can convert to BRC20 tokens. You can also convert them to runes, and you can sell them on Gamma, or you can sell them on the Unisat platform. So pretty exciting. So now we have 3 platforms to sell digital land on, and also the buyback program has also been activated. So we hope the floor price will increase like pretty soon for these assets. So it's pretty nice. It's progressing pretty fast, the digital land product, and our previous collection was sold out. So we hope to bring in more ambassadors and more auditors with this release. We are going to be releasing something called the Fari namespace .fari. So all the networks are going to be named .fari. A lot of people were confused that the networks were named .btc, um, which we thought was clear, but some people didn't think was that clear. So that leaves us with like 50 names that we have, like ads.btc or advertising.btc or say.btc or whatever. So we're gonna be using, instead of using .btc, we're gonna be using .fari, and we're gonna reserve some names for the network, and then we're gonna sell the other names. We're gonna do some raffle of the names. We're gonna direct sell some names. These tokens will be able to be resold, and for some of them we will do some auctions via Gamma. So this will happen this summer. We don't have a date for this stuff because this is still in development, but I think we could release it by June, because it's not really a complicated development, and what we have in the pipeline is basically to move the wallet from testnet to mainnet, and then the miners, and then this. So it's pretty close in the pipeline. All right, so what we're gonna do with the .btc names is that we're gonna do like a fundraiser sale. We're gonna sell those 50 names, and then we're gonna take the money from that sale, from the .btc domain sale, and we're gonna take the money to list on an exchange, and that will give us money to increase whatever pool we come up with for the exchange. So we're gonna be selling these, and probably be selling some Fari tokens on a fundraiser, right? So that we can raise funds to list on a bigger exchange. As of today, we're now talking with top 3 exchanges and top 5 exchanges. So it's gone up from Bitmart. So we are approved for listing in multiple exchanges. Those are like top 20, top 15 exchanges, which is very nice. But now we are also talking with top 10, top 5, and top 3 exchanges. I won't, I won't disclose like any names, but yeah, Bitfari is talking with some pretty big exchanges to list the token in, and I think that once we deploy more modules of the system, we'll eventually list in bigger exchanges. So that's really good. We also want to take some money from the fundraising for marketing. Um, we'll probably do like a 50-50. 50% of the money will be for the pool, and then 50% of the money for marketing to bring more users to the platform. Also, we have the idea to list on Kickstarter as well, because we can always give people coupons to place billboard ads for, up to 90% discounts. So at some point we will announce that, but we don't have a date for that one. In terms of the date for this domain sale fundraiser event, we don't have a date, but we think this will happen sometime in May. Let's say by the middle of May, so that we can clear up the pipeline a little bit, but this will definitely happen between May and June. Okay. So the Minerva product, the M3 chain, this is the name of our blockchain. So we use a blockchain for the decentralized screens. This is something that is in beta now. You can test it. Please join the testnet tab and ask us specifically that you want to join the miner program, because with this you can run a decentralized screen. So we have like two types of decentralized screens. One of them is for mobile devices, that's for phones, that works with the Mina Coin platform. And the other one is the M3 chain, that's for TVs and decentralized screens, which are of a bigger size. Okay, if you join the program and you help us test this stuff out, we'll give you some free tokens. So every tester will get some free tokens. Testers that find bugs will get more tokens, and testers that send suggestions will get even more tokens. Okay, so please help us with this and join in on the testnet tab so that we can have a lot of testers trying this stuff out. We have a new site under development. This is almost done. In terms of a date, we don't have a date. In terms of beta testers, the main things that we have that is going to come out in a multilingual fashion. So the site is going to support multiple languages. So if you can help us with translations, just drop us a message on the Discord or send us an email. We will pay you with Bitfari tokens, or if you prefer to be paid on NFTs, we'll send you some NFTs as a token of our appreciation. So yeah, that's the main thing with the site. It's almost done, but we need translators for mainly for French and Spanish. Okay. We were included in a list of top crypto marketing projects. We also won a top startup award by HackerNoon at the beginning of the year, and some other awards. So we're pretty happy. We have a lot of momentum, a lot of traction, and people are noticing the project. So it's nice to finally enter this list. There are some NFTs that we didn't send last year, but they are pending to be sent. So you might see this in your wallet if you bought one of the Wonders of the World. We're gonna be sending out Bitfari certificate. It's gonna be like a VIP token. So you get this beautiful token, and you'll be able to do more things in the platform with this. Now, when we release the premium version, volume 2 of the digital land, you'll be able to buy more Wonders of the World, and you'll be able to get this certificate. The idea with this certificate is to make it into a certificate that can allow you to enter any Bitfari event for free. So it's a pretty cool thing to have. And then finally, the Fari token information has been included in some AI products. So if you talk with ChatGPT or you talk to some other products, they can give you information about the Fari token, which is really nice. So we are making our inroads into popular culture, which is good, and we feel humble because since most of our product is still in test, it's really humbling to see this good and amazing reception. All right. Thank you so much for your attention, and remember to always bring life for your location. See you soon. Bye bye.